Hello children, welcome to our science online class. In this session, we are going to learn about food lesson part 4, food pyramids. Food pyramid is designed to make healthy eating depending upon our work, age and sex. The requirement of various nutrients vary from person to person. For example, growing children need more proteins in their food. People doing hard physical work needs more carbohydrate and fats in their diet. Eating healthy breakfast helps to improve concentration and boost metabolisms. Then what are the balanced diet? The food we normally eat in a day is in our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities. Such a diet is called balanced diet. For examples, pulses, groundnuts, soya beans, sprouted seeds, fermented foods, banana, jaggery, seasonal vegetables and fruits provide more nutrients. Therefore, one can have a balanced diet without much expense. Some major food items, let us learn now, children. See the table, major food items and what are the sources. Carbohydrates, honey, sugarcane, fruits, whole grains, vegetables, rice. So these are the sources of carbohydrates. Proteins. What are the sources? What are the food sources? Legume, pulses, nuts, soya bean, green leafy vegetables, fish, egg, milk. So these are the food for protein sources. The next one, fats. What are the food source? Egg yolk, saturated oil, meat. So these are the major food items and then sources. See children, Spanish and Ponnanganni Kirai are some of the low-cost, highly nutritive food materials. They contain more minerals, vitamins, fibers, nutrients available in all seasons. So now we understand children what is food pyramid. We learn now and what are the balanced diet. The next one, kitchen safety. Kitchen is an important place in our home. We prepare our food in the kitchen. We use gas cylinders for cooking. Some of us may use electric stoves. The equipments and the environment in the kitchen may be a little dangerous. So we need to be precautions and careful. What we should do and should not do in the kitchens. See children, gas. Gas catches fire easily. Once gas is leaked means there may be dangerous consequences. So we need to be careful while handling cylinder. So the following steps, what we do and what we should not do while handling gas cylinders. First, let us see what should we do. Keep the cylinder in vertical position at plane level and in a well-aired place. Then keep the lighter ready and then burn and then turn on the gas stove knob. Keep the windows and doors open to ensure ventilation in case of gas leakage. Then last one, always use ISI standard gas stoves, regulators and gas stoves. So these are the steps we should do while handling the gas cylinders. The next, what are the steps we can't do, we should not do while handling gas cylinders? We'll see now children. Do not keep the cylinder in horizontal or inverted position. Do not turn the knob before lighting the lighter. It may lead to gas leakage. Do not turn on electrical appliances in the kitchen. If there is a gas leakage means it may be lead to fire. Do not use low quantity gas stoves, tubes and regulators. It may lead to gas leakages. Then what are the electrical appliances we are using? Do not operate electrical appliance with wet hands because it leads to electric shock. Then fire. Do not keep the inflammable materials like kerosene etc. near the stoves. In case of person's clothes catching fire, cover the person with a thick blanket or carpet. If kerosene or oil catches fire means use sand to put off the fire. If solid materials like wood catch fire, use water to put out the fire. If an electrical appliance catches fire, unplug the appliance and disconnect the electricity. Use proper fire extinguishers to put out the fire. So what are the types of the fire? First one, class A, wood, paper. So what are the types of extinguisher? If wood, paper means the proper fire extinguisher is water. Then class B, liquid gases, fuels means carbon dioxide. We want to use that carbon dioxide. Then class 3, electrical sources means dry chemical. The next, burns. In case of minor burns, the burns area should be held under cool running water for some time and proper medical treatment should be given. Any plaster if formed should not be prickled. So these are the steps while handling the gas cylinders. You understand, children? So that's all the lessons. Thank you, children.